I bet the Glock a freezing nigga like I'm Johnny Dang. She say I never get the picture, crop her out the frame. Got extensions, let me measure how the nigga brain. Diamonds hitting like some water even when it rain. Bet that Glock a freezing nigga Johnny Dang. She said she never get the picture.
What's going on? So I'm back. It's a Monday. It's odd. I'm not busy and it's 12 o'clock. So today we're headed to damn near Virginia to go get a setup. They are 26 by 14 on 37 Gladiators. The setup pretty much flawless and new. It's got a couple marks on it or whatever. Just went and stopped at the little Subway, you feel me? Had to go and cop the little sub, you feel me? But this the main attraction right here, boy. Look at all them 20s. Just look at it. That's what we got. Subway and setups. But yeah, about to get rid of all this to go and get me a nice little setup. So let's head back on the road and I'll show y'all guys whenever I get there.
Hey, freeze up, diamond shining, but I got that heater on me. Bitches up, wake up, this for all them people sleeping on me. Do the dash, living, I'm so reckless, feel like Reapers want me. I'm a player with these bitches, man, I cannot keep them off me. Freeze up, diamond shining, but I got that heater on me. Bitches up, wake up, this for all them people sleeping.
So, as you see, I don't know if you can see, maybe, the 26 by 14s have been secured. So, I'm on the way back now. I got about an hour and 18 minutes. But right now, like I said, I'm on the way back. Got a little ways of a drive to go, but we're almost there. So as soon as I get back home, I'll show y'all what they look like, and we'll just go from there. So let's ride. So next day, after getting the wheels, I got back when it was dark, so I couldn't show you, but here's what I got going on. XF off roads. Like I said, tires are almost new, damn near. And you see, I got everything laid out. So right now, I'm just making sure everything's clear and out the way before I start putting shit on. I'm about to start with the cross members first, and then just basically gradually build everything back up. Everything turned out good. It's all dry, all ready to go. Nothing's wet anymore, so I can go ahead and throw this shit on and go ahead and get to it. So let's get done. All right, so about an hour later, 2 hours roughly, back and forth. Wasn't that bad putting this on. Got all the cross member bars mounted, got the lower and upper control arms put on, and the kicker braces. All that was pretty straightforward and simple. I didn't have to fuck anything up trying to put it on, which is, I guess, the good thing about buying an expensive ass lift is you don't have to hassle with it. So got the faceplate on here, the Cognito faceplate. Really all I got to do now is put the springs and struts in, which I'm gonna probably go ahead and do now, and just try to see if I can go ahead and get these control arms put up, and go ahead and get the struts in here. If I get the struts in here, I'll go ahead and put the spindles on, and by the end of the day I should be able to at least see how it's going to look on, at least on one side. If I can get both sides, you know, that's cool, whatever. But didn't expect to fully get this far today, but you know, I just got in here and got after it. I fabricated me a little antenna mount, so this is gonna go back here like this, and it's gonna hold my fucking 20,000 inch whip that I got going on right here. So if you can see in perspective how long this shit is. All right, you see the bed of my Duramax. You know how long my Duramax is? It's about the size of a full bed. You know, whatever. I'm gonna keep making shit for this truck. That's gonna go here. Like I said, I'm gonna put a little 15 bolt underneath and secure it, so that way nobody can steal my shit. Because with that magnet, it kept breaking, and it just wasn't gonna work for me. So let's see how far we can get. We got about an hour and a half of sunlight before I gotta start cleaning shit up. So I'm pretty sure we'll be able to do it. Just gotta get in here and get after it. So let's do it. All right, so this is where I'm gonna call it for now. Got basically the whole front end put together. Everything looking real good. Yeah, I'm gonna take the drop shackles out probably this weekend and get everything kind of in order. But paint, everything came out great. This is it for today, and I'll catch back up with y'all tomorrow. I'm fucking tired. All right, so it's the next day here, and this is how far I got last night before it got dark. Now, while I have the rotor off, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my double row white LED lights from Oracle. I'm gonna have to do the back, but I want to try to at least get those fronts done so that I can set it down on the wheels in the front to see kind of how tall it's gonna be. Judging from how low this hub is, it's gonna be up there for real. So if you get, I mean, you could probably see it from here, but if you see the hub compared to where the back one is, like, that shit's gonna be tall. But the paint turned out great. Like I said, that shit is amazing in the sunlight. Everything just goes together pretty good. Let's get to it, and fucking I'll update y'all as soon as I get done with all that. But she's turning out pretty good. Can't wait to see it. And she done. So right now she's sitting at 15. I got some levels stacked, and she tall as hell. Like, it's over my head at this point. That bitch tall. But everything's all tightened up and ready to go. I'm gonna just do a double up. I'm gonna drive it back and forth, let everything settle, and then just tighten everything up again, just to make sure nothing came loose. But yeah, that bitch tall as fuck, yo. Now I am gonna probably get some blocks for the back. I'll probably end up going with 2-inch blocks and probably take my drop shackles out. But that should have me high enough to where I can kind of see something, because I can't see a fucking thing out of this thing right now. But she's done for right now. I gotta get this wheel to kind of come back this way. This one's straight. It's kind of bent in, so I'm gonna have to do a quick eye alignment on this and just see if I can get it to where it'll be decent. But this is where she at right now. Everything look good. I'm excited. All right, so I got everything kind of tightened up and ready to go. Didn't get to do the rear wheel lights yet. I'm gonna probably just do blocks and everything all at once. So for right now, this is just how it's gonna be. It's leaning like a bitch. I can't see shit, but I can still drive it. I just don't, I'd rather not drive it. But I'm gonna have to get the alignment kind of dialed in a little bit more to make it 2-blading, but should be good to go. Everything in there is clean and tightened up and ready to go. So just drove it in and out the yard a little bit just to have everything settle. But everything should be pretty much stable and good to go for now. Appreciate everybody's support and everybody who's watched me kind of get to this point, man. I really enjoy this shit, man, and I'm just gonna keep getting better and better, and bigger things gonna be coming. So, but this is probably where I'm gonna end the video for now. Appreciate y'all, like I said, once again, for all the support, man. And it's only up from here, so we're just gonna keep going. And I didn't show y'all last thing for y'all to know. This is a long ass antenna. I don't know how long it is. Don't ask me that question. I fabbed up that little bracket there for it to sit on. I welded that. So turned out pretty decent. It's like my first welding project that I've had on this fucking truck, so decided to give it a shot. But yeah, man, this whole suspension setup is like crazy to me, man. It's so smooth. But yeah, man, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day and shit, put this video up. That way y'all got something to watch for y'all's little Thanksgiving and shit. But like I said, thanks for watching, and catch y'all next time.